Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Japanese omelette pans in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Chef Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan. If you are looking for a high-quality Tamagoyaki pan, then this product is entirely for you. The Chef Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan, with its square-shaped design and slightly sloppy side, allows you to roll or flip the food, thereby making the cooking process straightforward. The material used for making this Tamagoyaki pan is aluminium with a stainless steel base, which improves heat conductivity and equal distribution of temperature. Another essential feature of the Chef Tamagoyaki pan is that it is non-sticky. It features the latest Teflon coating that is free of harmful chemicals such as pho. This Tamagoyaki pan is an eco-friendly and perfect choice for cooking Japanese omelette, pancakes, and sandwiches, among others. The handle also provides a firm grip. All these essential features make the Chef Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan the best option for you. Cooking on this pan has never been this fun and easy. Things we liked. It comes with durable aluminium construction. This product is available in 2 sizes, namely, medium and large. The unique sloppy design makes it easy to roll and flip the omelettes. It heats up quickly and evenly. Things we didn't like. It is not suitable for the dishwasher. Over time, the non-stick coating tends to wear off. Number 2. Our second best pick is IBBM Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan. This Tamagoyaki pan is another ideal choice for making your omelettes, pancakes, and sandwiches, among others. It has a sloped shape that makes the cooking significantly easy and fun. You can use this Tamagoyaki pan on both induction hob and gas stove as the base comes with a stainless steel magnetic conductivity. The material used for making this pan is aluminium with a polymer plastic handle. As such, it provides for more extended durability. This Tamagoyaki pan, with its Mylife Unit stone non-stick coating, provides quick heat conduction and easy release of food. The coating also does not contain pho. As such, your food is safe for consumption. Another attribute of this Tamagoyaki pan is that the handle comes with a thumb dent that allows firm grip while preparing your dishes. Overall, you are going to love this product, and we highly recommend it. Things we liked. It comes with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Easy to clean and handle. It is lightweight and non-sticky. Extremely durable construction. Things we didn't like. It is suitable only for hand washing. Comes only on one side. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mylife Unit Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan. It offers substantial heat while cooking as it has a magnetic conductive base, made of stainless steel. This Tamagoyaki pan also features durable construction, which is aluminium with Mylife Unit stone coating. This pan, with a 5 inches handle, allows you to turn or flip the food quickly. Besides, it provides a firm grip, thereby avoiding falling as you cook. Moreover, the temperature limit when cooking on the stove is 450 Fahrenheit, while below 500 watts while using it on induction. Things we liked. Usable for both gas stove and induction hob. Ergonomic design. It is perfect for making rolled omelettes. Worth the price. Things we didn't like. Available in 1 size and color. Durability issue over time. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Iwatatamagoyaki Omelette Pan. Finally, a Tamago pan that delivers quality, affordability, and overall awesomeness. This Tamagoyaki pan is made of iron with a wood handle. As many of you know, Iwachu is one of the finest and most respected manufacturers of Japanese ironware, with a company history of over 100 years. The superior quality, beauty and lasting durability of Iwachu products have earned them the worldwide reputation as the leading manufacturer of authentic Japanese ironware. All in all, This is a gorgeous Tamago pan that will improve your Japanese cooking. Because of the high quality materials and Japanese design, this pan is one of the best on the market. Traditional rectangular shape for rolled egg omelettes. Make tamagoyaki for breakfast or bento, as a sushi topping, or for a healthy snack. Cast iron is durable and retains heat well. Measurement includes handling. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is IBBM Japanese Omelette Pan. Want an easy-to-use Tamago pan for an excellent price without sacrificing quality? Well, we've got the pan for you. This incredible Tamago pan by IBBM is one of the best pans on the market. Because of its sloped shape, eggs can be rolled and flipped with ease. With a stainless steel magnetic conductive base, this feature makes the pan usable on both gas stove and induction hob. Also, the pan is made from heavy-duty aluminium manganese alloy with an extremely durable construction. All in all, we know you're going to absolutely fall in love with this super functional Tamago pan. We highly recommend it. This pan is used on both gas stove and induction hob. Like most of non-stick pan, it's better to use no more than 450 Fahrenheit for long-term use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.